In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and sell your very own digital products on Etsy. This process can be a fantastic way to share your creativity with the world while generating some extra income. We'll walk through everything from crafting your digital files to listing them on Etsy for sale. Let's dive in. First, think about the digital product you want to offer. It could be something like a beautifully designed planner, printable art, or even digital invitations. The choice is really up to you and determined by what you're passionate about or skilled at. You'll need to create these documents in formats like PDF or PNG, as they are versatile and widely accepted. Make sure your files are clearly named and organized on your computer, which will make the upcoming steps smoother. Once your digital products are ready, the next task is to combine them if you have multiple files. Compress these files into one zip folder. Zipping files not only helps in keeping them organized, but also makes it easier for your buyers to download all the items at once. To create a zip file, simply select all the files you wish to include, right-click, and choose the compress or send to zip folder option. Rename the zip folder to something related to the content to avoid any buyer confusion. Now that your digital product is neatly packaged, it's time to bring it to Etsy. Head over to the Etsy website and log into your account. Navigate to the Shop Manager from the menu and then to Listings. Here's where you'll add your new digital listing. Click on Add a New Listing and you're ready to start uploading. Upload your zip file under the Digital Files section. This is a key part of selling on Etsy, as it informs both the platform and buyers that this is a digital item, not a physical one. Etsy allows you to upload up to 5 files, so ensure your zip folder doesn't exceed the maximum size limit that Etsy allows per file upload. With your file uploaded, you'll now fill out the details for your listing. Craft a compelling and descriptive title that captures what your product is and includes any important keywords customers might use to search. In the description box, provide as much detail as possible about what buyers can expect, how they can use the digital product, and any other additional information they might find valuable. Setting a competitive price comes next. Look into what similar products are selling for and choose a pricing strategy that reflects the value of your creation. Once everything is ready, thoroughly review your listing to ensure accuracy. When you feel confident that it looks its best, go ahead and click Publish to make your product available on Etsy. Congratulations, you've taken the exciting step of making your digital product available to a global marketplace. Stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your Etsy store and products.